select industry. So choose the industry that best fits your business or project. This information helps Loka generate logo design ideas relevant to your field. Choose logo stylus. Loka will ask you to select a few logo styles that appeal to you. This helps the AI understand your preferences. Select colors. Enter company name tagline. Input your company name tagline for Pikiko. This step helps Loka understand the context of your logo. Pick symbols. You'll be presented with various symbols and icons. Choose the ones that resonate with your brand or customize. Once Looker generates his logo options, you can customize them further. You can adjust the layout, font, colors, and more. Preview and edit. Yuka will generate logo options based on your preferences. Preview them and make any necessary edits until you're satisfied with the design. Purchase and download. You can use this method to this logo without any payment. Thank you for watching.